Keyword: supply chain units, physical locations or organizational units within the supply chain, such as plants or storage locations. Keyword: packaging materials, materials used for packaging goods, such as pallets, containers, and boxes. Keyword: packaging specifications, detailed instructions defining how products should be packed, including container types and packing strategies. Keyword: resource management, managing warehouse resources such as labor and equipment to optimize warehouse tasks. Keyword: radio frequency, RF, framework, technology that integrates mobile devices with the warehouse management system, allowing real-time updates for tasks like picking and inventory. Keyword: document categories, classification of documents in EWM based on their business function, such as inbound or outbound deliveries, stock transfers, etc. Keyword: document types, defines the primary usage of documents in EWM, such as inbound delivery or outbound delivery order. Keyword: item categories, groups delivery items based on their function, e.g. standard items, packaging items, return items. Keyword: item types, specifies the business attributes of an item in a delivery document, influencing how it is processed.